Under construction. Almost ready. Open Mona for 11 a.m., 4 p.m., offering over 2,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus an office, 3.5 baths and a private 2-car garage. The Pearl has a fresh and modern design with 11 ceilings, lots of windows, 3 terraces for each unit, and an open floor plan. Each residence has elevator access into a private foyer. Premium Eurotech design cabinetry with quartz tops, decorative backsplash, pull-outs, and soft close drawers. Jenn-Air stainless appliances with a natural gas cooktop and a generous island in the kitchen. This spacious owner's retreat has ample room for a sitting area, 2 closets, and a luxurious bath with walk-in shower, standalone tub with floor-mount faucets, dual sinks, large linen closet and lots of cabinets for storage. Your family or guests will feel welcome with en-suite accommodations and private terraces. Separate laundry room is equipped with washer-dryer, sink and storage cabinets. The 2019 construction provides impact glass windows and sliders and meets today's stringent building codes. The 8 residences will have access to the outdoor amenities including a well-landscaped common area with heated pool, separate spa, gazebo and grill area. Iron gates, secure building entry, and pet-friendly. Enjoy a rich urban experience where you can bike or walk along the brick-lined streets of Golden Gate Point to the Ringling Bridge, Street. Armand Circle, the Ritz-Carlton, Marina Jacks and amazing arts, dining and theater venues.